Suriouc is my Excel to web converter project, and yeah, I've been toying around with some graphics here for kids. I've found some stuff on Pixabay, I think, and just glued it together. I actually do like it. However, yeah, it's debatable. However, there have been some suggestions for what the little tool should include, since I've been kind of keeping it bare bones. Now the request for a view of all the available projects, and that's exactly what it is: the web created and the ODB connector used. So for instance, if I click on RS, it will go to that particular web page. So yeah, there is that, and there is another one just to show you what it's doing, and it says Odin, praise Odin, obviously. What is actually happening in the web server's root, you have the equivalent folder names, and that's where these things live. So quite nice and easy. And as per one gentleman's suggestion, I probably should have like 10 that come pre-configured with the actual package, so you don't have to fluff around too much and you just go straight into the building process. But that's, I don't know if I'll do that, because what kind of names do I give the projects, etc, etc. There have been a few changes, like you can add your ODBC connector when you're adding the project, and I've been cleaning up some code, and yeah, in general you will not see much of a difference visually. However, yeah, since all the requirements are coming in, I am slowly but surely making changes in the background, and I'm sure you've seen this. This is a preview of a view that you have designed, but you're not sure how it looks like. So by clicking on the ID, you get to see what it actually looks like. So obviously you might have forgotten what you've created in the view designer. So again, if you are looking at the sheet called order header, and you created a view name, general data like enter date, and you're like, holy cow, what was that? I don't remember. You click on the ID and it will populate it, and you'll be able to see, oh, this is the view I will be having in one of the boxes. And I've also decided to go with to go with 6, divide the page into 6 sections. That will be in the next update, I think, in the page builder, and I'm sure that will go down really well. I'm in the same place, ain't I? Yeah, it's late at night here. Literally, I'm gonna use the Bulma column thingo. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, that's it, I think. All you need to know so far. But yes, the project is kind of growing, because yeah, people have some requests, which are reasonable ones, I have to admit. Okay, that's it. I'm babbling. Good night.